Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And in today's video, since yesterday's, we already did the Supreme mystery box. Well, not really yesterday's, but Tuesday's video was the Supreme mystery box. Today's video is going to be the Deluxe mystery box, which we also had to put in our size. And as you guys know, I'm a size small, so we got these boxes. Before I continue, because I forgot to do this in the last video, please look at my description bar for all my social medias and follow me on there. That way you guys know my Instagram to follow, because I always post a bunch of polls, and you guys told me to post Monday through Friday for this. And I also post my video on Sunday, but you guys told me to post Monday through Friday this week, which is what we're doing. I ask, you guys tell me what to do, I do what you guys tell me to do. So, without further ado, let's open this bad boy and get right on into the video. So, if you guys want, I'll link up here the Supreme box that we already unboxed. That box was probably one of the best mystery boxes I think I've ever done. But I also say that every time I do these mystery boxes, because for some reason they literally just keep getting better and better, and I'm super excited. It's also been so hard not to watch anybody's videos because I'm trying to be surprised. So this one has the red packaging, the other one had the pink packaging, the Supreme one, and this is the Deluxe bad boy. So let's open her up. What do you guys see? Because I can't see. What do you guys see? What do we see? Well, you guys didn't see anything, so this is what we got going on. Let's see what we got going on. All right. Okay, I'm already freaking excited because I see a hat. I don't own. Let me open this first before I continue talking. I don't own any of his hats, and I always wanted to own a hat. But okay, so first off, this thing's huge on my head right now, but how do we look? It's the pink. So it's the pink and red, which I think is sick, or it's maybe darker. No, pink and red. And then on the inside, it is his actual logo in red. So I know this looks like a complete goof, but we're wearing it on our head. The next thing we got is our shirt, and this isn't a small. I saw one of the items we got, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but I'm not 100% positive, but I'm pretty sure I know what it is. And this is what it looks like. So this is the conversation hearts. So we have the Jeffree Star logo right here, and then on the back we have the conversation hearts, and they say, "Can't relate. I'm gagging, Jeffree Star approved, hi, how are ya, iconic," and the Jeffree Star logo. Now you guys know that I love wearing these to bed. They are the most comfortable shirts ever, and I'm super excited about this one as well. I mean, they're t-shirts, so there's not really much I could say about them, but I absolutely love them. So, super sick. We're gonna set that over there. We're not gonna throw it on the floor. And here is, I wanna say this is a palette right here, and I am correct. This is a palette, and this is Mini Breaker. I know what the packaging looks like from the past mystery boxes, so this is Mini Breaker. She is gorgeous. I love the packaging, so let me grab my Mini Breaker to swatch her so I am not touching that one. Okay, so this is the Mini Breaker palette. This is what she looks like. She is white. She says Mini Breaker, and I got a Jeffree Star logo behind it, and the Mini Breaker palette has like 3D effect of a jawbreaker. Of course, it comes with a handy dandy mirror in here, and it also comes with all these beautiful 9 shades. If you guys want to see where I ranked this in my Jeffree Star ranking video of all his palettes, I'll have that linked up here as well. So let's get to swatching. So we're gonna swatch Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, Oral, and that's what these look like. So this is Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, and Oral. Super gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Taking my new clean makeup wipe, because you guys know from my January favorites, I have that linked up here as well. I did not like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost freaking makeup wipes. They're literally horrible, so I'm just trying to get rid of them. So next we have Purple Punch Slice, which is absolutely gorgeous. Bubblegum, which is I think my favorite color in this palette. And then Bite Me. And then before I show you this, we have one more color to swatch, and I'm just going to swatch that, and that is Hot Fudge. Which, let me redo that because my finger was wet from the makeup wipe. So, Hot Fudge. Alright, so this one is Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, Bite Me, and Hot Fudge. This is what the Mini Breaker palette swatches to. I'm not mad that I got it again. I'm the one who owns all of his palettes already before they hit mystery boxes. And this is a way for people to get them in their mystery boxes and to get them in their collection. So no, I am not mad at all at this. We just gotta take these off because we got more things in the box. All right, so let's open her up. All right, the next thing, I think I know what this is. I know this is, I want to say this is 24 karat. Oh yeah, I'm ready. My box is about to get filled that it came in because it came in one of those big boxes. So this is 24 karat. This is one of his first skin frosts that ever came out of Pro Palettes. This is literally super gorgeous. This packaging is just super sick. The back of it says, take your glow everywhere, blind the world, 6 shades, vegan, cruelty-free. When applied, glow can be seen from outer space. Beauty tip, this product is versatile and can be used for face or body. Apply with a brush of your choice and let yourself shine. Little goes a long way. This product can be used wet or dry depending on your desired intensity. So, like I said, this is what it looks like. I am going to grab mine of this as well, because I'm a sucker for highlighters, so why wouldn't I have gotten this when it came out? So side note, I didn't get this one as soon as it launched. I got it after because I was beating myself up about not getting it because I originally only got Platinum Ice the first time around. But this is what she looks like. Super gorgeous. Now this is gorgeous on girls with a deeper complexion. Absolutely gorgeous, like phenomenal. Girls, guys with a deeper complexion, oh, so beautiful. This is also beautiful on light-skinned as well, like lighter skin complexion, medium skin. Oh, this is the palette. So we got Sarcophagus, we have King Tut, Dark Horse, and Legendary. Now, I know he made King Tut its own pan, and I do have that in its own pan as well, but this is literally the most buttery formula ever his Skin Frost is. So this is Sarcophagus, King Tut, Dark Horse, and Legendary. Look at how gorgeous Legendary is. It's more of like a deep pink, to be honest, but I think it looks super gorgeous. I use it as an eyeshadow. That's why I say like all of his highlighters, palettes are so versatile because you can use them for anything. And then we have Giza, like the pyramids of Giza, and then Liberis. I don't know if I'm saying that right. That's what these two look like. So we have Giza, and then we're just gonna swatch like this for Liberis. So this is Giza, and that is Liberis. I don't know how you say. I want to say Liberis. Liberis, I don't know, people. But this is what it looks like. So like I said again, we have Sarcophagus, King Tut, Dark Horse, Legendary, Giza, and Liberis, whichever one it is. I want to say it's Liberis. Liberis sounds better. You know what? My dad's about to roast me because he and I are so into like ancient Egypt and Greek gods and stuff, and this is all based off of like freaking ancient Egypt. I'm just gonna get silently roasted. I hope it's fine. But this is the packaging around here, like gold leaf. Super gorgeous. Highly recommend. If you guys got this in the box, that's sick. If you don't have it, get your hands on it. All right? I'm telling you, I would highly recommend it and suggest it. Next thing we got here is another gloss, and this is in Legends only. All right, I'm excited because We're getting glosses we don't have today. Oh my goodness, this is actually one of the ones that's actually like a gloss, but not like a glitter gloss. This is what it looks like. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is like a perfect freaking nude. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, let's see. Please be, oh. Okay, one is my skin tone. I think you kind of see it. It reminds me of like a coffee flavored, a coffee color, like when you do your coffee kind of deal. This, so freaking gorgeous. I'm so excited. I love how I've been wearing this hat the whole entire video. And the next thing we got, okay, we actually got a full thing of freaking metal straws. I love his metal straws. I use them everywhere. So the fact that we got a full 4-piece reusable drinking straw set, especially in this green, is pretty dope. It says, be iconic and classy with these Jeffree Star approved custom green stainless straws. Yes, we are gonna open it. And I'm gonna show you guys the tea. So we got the cleaning brush. That's what it looks like because I can't, there we go. Finally got it out. So we got all these straws. I'll take one out so we can look at it and look at how glittery this is. But it has the Jeffree Star on it. And I think these all have lines. Some of them look like they can move, but I don't think these ones move. They don't. Okay. That was just me. And then obviously it comes with 3 that are slanted and 1 that is completely straight. So let me show you guys this up close and what they look like. So we have this one, we have this one, and then we got this color, and then we have this green, and then a darker green, and then the thing to clean the brushes. But I absolutely love these more than anything. So I am super excited about these. I don't know how the hell to get these back in the box, but we're figuring out. We're getting there. We're getting it done. I can't get this. Okay, that's fine. All right, so the next thing we have is the Mystery Liquid Lip Shade. So first, this is the packaging that it looks like, and this is what we're given on the top. So I personally think it's gonna be the dark color that it's shown. That's what I really do think. Okay, I was wrong. It's not the dark color that I thought. Not at all. It is this red right here. This is super gorgeous. Let's swatch her. She's metallic. Let's shake it first. Ow! All right, so we shook it. Now let's put this on here. Oh my goodness. I need to do another one because from its, oh my goodness. Guys, this color, holy crap, look at it. So it doesn't look as freaking metallic-y, but let me shine my phone light on you. For you, do not disturb. That is what it looks like. Actually, if you can see the glitter in it, it's like so subtle. It's got purple glitter in it, kind of like a blue, but mostly purple, purplish blue glitter in it. Super gorgeous for a metallic one. And we have another mirror. Did I get a different one? I got a different mirror, people. I'm excited. All right, let's open her. I think this is just a pink one. It makes it so hard to open. Ooh, baby pink mirror. This is what it looks like. It is his typical baby pink. Super excited. I really love this. So this is sick. This box, as well as the other box, is well worth the money. It's just like the Supreme one. It's so worth the money. This was absolutely sick. I'm so excited. I love how I got this hat. Obviously, I'm going to fix how the hat is But this is sick. All the things I got in here was super cool. My mirror collection's growing now because of mystery boxes. I bought one, which was the firecracker one. Like, that's what it looks like. And then the rest I've gotten from mystery boxes, and I'm soups excited. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. My hand's literally about to be stained and feel raw after this because of all the swatching, but I don't care. I'm super excited. All this stuff is turning out amazing. I cannot wait to open the last box, so get ready for that one. That's the premium one, and he mentioned on Twitter that if you got the premium box, like, you better wait what's on the inside, and I'm so freaking excited. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like mystery boxes, if you love Jeffree Star, if you love watching my videos. Click that notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video. That way you can come hang out with us and join us and chill with us and watch videos when they premiere, because I will be in the chats if I can. I'm mostly in the chats, but sometimes if my video launches and I'm in school, I just make it towards near like the middle or the end of the video, depending on traffic on my way home. And hit the subscribe button and join the fam. We are trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I would love to have you guys along for this journey. I just think having 2,000 subscribers is a goal of mine that I want to have, and I hope you guys can help me reach it. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.